Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Alex G's Nintendo 64 on guitar. First, ensure your guitar is in standard tuning, E-A-D-G-B-E. The song primarily uses a few simple chord shapes. Begin with a G major shape, often played on the 3rd fret, then smoothly transition to a C major shape. Focus on clean transitions between these two core chords to build a solid foundation for the song's main riff. For the verse, you'll primarily cycle between the G major and C major chord shapes. A simple down-up strumming pattern works well to capture the song's feel. Try to emphasize your downstrokes slightly to give the rhythm more drive. Practice this progression at a moderate tempo, perhaps around 120 beats per minute, until the changes feel natural and fluid. When you reach the chorus, an E minor chord is often introduced, adding a touch of melancholy. Practice the transition from C major to E minor, then back to G major. The bridge section might briefly incorporate a D major chord, offering a slight harmonic variation. Pay close attention to the original recording to pick up on any subtle rhythmic shifts or dynamics in these sections. To achieve the authentic sound, consider using a capo on the 3rd fret, which matches the original recording's key. Don't be afraid to experiment with fingerpicking patterns in addition to strumming for a different texture. Pay attention to dynamics, playing some sections softer and others louder adds expression. Consistent practice, even just 15 minutes each day, will significantly improve your playing and confidence.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.